All right. Good morning and welcome to Talk Einstein here on YouTube with Selbet. Yegusode and Semino Bremo. This weekend is Asante Kotoko against Hartlepool in the Super Clash. Oba, Nsempana inti. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Move our subscription button now. Mobile say keno. Yeah, Boston it increase our numbers and it help us a lot, not financially and tools but a boama we are rich in the question until subscribe to the channel. You watch the video, you don't subscribe. And then in Sempane Bremo, I have a lot of issues from the camp of Asante Kotoko. I'll drop the appropriate ones there. Meet me there, I affected the preparation of the club ahead of the Super Clash. Now, a watch night in the measures of aware. Watch night in the day. How to football Kotoko Kumase, Abraham seen home back Kumase on by watch night. I think that was on 2 days. That is when the fans of the club would gather at the Baba spot at the venue throughout the whole night and the day. To protect the venue. On say kwesiada ni di duru a Edins Obeko Park no so. Nti ebu a teams bu a memene da no. Omo agi mu wa no mamu. Yes, I'm telling you there's an authority. I know clubs will have omo supporters no edu day ni abebo na mu wa no omo agi mu na line no omo hwe mpanimfo mo nim so omo yakotokofo na omo ya house for no omo make a line no. Because a woman person will be a crabby park. To watch night, no, what I'm picking is bit me start here, Nefia day, watch night and bit me start here. That was some minute that there will be 2 nights. I'm picking said Asante region, Regional Circles Council, together with National Circles Council, behind this watch night. So there will be some faithfuls of Asante Kotoko here, Mema. Our when we're parking. Say why just over park so I'm in the home because and if you're day on say working day, so they will be around on a pay on the cost no more to our park means answer mine on your staff I won't park so and no or more because I'm a panel there heading so be back park so so they will be there to watch night now with them. You can have your opinion, but do you think those things play a part in club's performance or matches on mobile now? Say, yeah, when parking from any spiritual implantation, piano. Do you think that it works? Don't forget to drop your comment. You will read that tomorrow during the podcast because tomorrow we have a former player and a member of the circles here at the studios of Selbet to discuss Asante Kotoko ahead of the game. Nti eno ye ba ko amede ma o. Esan ye kokobo, we de omo de ma me se menye no kokobo nsanka. Oso mo mpeso obi beba ho na ye wi ba nti omo bo ama ne opekura member ho. Embe yes anioma no. Now secondly, Kumasi Asante Kotoko against Hartlepool is a game most of the time there are promises of huge bonuses. Medim Komako has which yes our story no. Or the other channel, which is SOTV Football, extensively. We've dealt into the House of Folk team. You can go and watch that. Here we do Kotoko. SOTV, the foreign, local, any form of football news. Biano Koha. SOTV Football. O search here, everybody. You subscribe to the account. You enjoy the content. I hear them out. That was our channel. And now, from the camp of Hartlepool, there is nothing like a special bonus. They've had a lot of meetings this week. Meetings, the house are meetings, so Kotoko Swaibi. Matches proud to this game. So a lot of meetings and a lot of engagements. But the Ebani said no special bonus promise from Kotoko, no special bonus promise from us. What may Pekin say, maybe, I'm not emphatic, but maybe Christopher Damenya might have a package for the Asante Kotoko players if they are winning the game. But Sabra no Kasea Yedin Komodia. The management of Kotoko and communicate any special bonus or share bonus now. Whether they might have that after the game is a story for another day, but may can't omo eye ne sesi a ede ama omo no omo any form of special bonus. Let's put that one on record again. Do you think that our bonus is we no claps no everybody these tough matches some promising my players no it has a part to play in the performance of the players. I have my own opinion. You don't need any form of extra motivation if Odo Kotoko drew this particular position in the Ghana Premier League. So what Bobo in the Kotoko drew baby out of 90 points, Kotoko lose 50. Now on has the ball a chance to have a back-to-back win over Hartlepool. Again, send your mama supporters Neti Yawafino. You have a chance to put up a good performance and match it out for no. Any adject for once in the season because Kotoko this season not in the FA Cups final league, you are not contenders. Now, but match we share, I'm not sure so here any special package there. So yes, sometimes these motivations do help, but the kind of performance that Kotoko team they put up, no, they don't deserve any form of motivation. From where I sit, I'm here verbal motivation. When they go to the field and they get the results, and we'll do it freely. But I don't think anybody should be giving them any special bonus promise. They should go and deliver because Doom saw performance now more in this particular Asante Kotoko team. That's my opinion. You feel free and drop your opinion. We move on to other news. And then either a VA and now a the hotel or the residents of the Asante Kotoko players, the IMC and up in crack will say, well, I'm picking news so on it. Asante Kotoko supporters never call and then to cheer them up, to motivate them and boost their morale ahead of this particular game. You know, because when and the two teams in the training has been training, Kotoko training, but out of focus is expected to land in Kumasi and then somebody drew Kumasi. Now at least omenya 1 day rest because omuntimi into ochana no emba ensan be bobo no chana, so they are planning on coming and having at least a 1 day rest, and that is the news I'm also picking from the camp of Hartlepool. Kotoka couple 2 training sessions Saturday morning and a year nyame adoma ene so training na omo ebe for injury news no am de mama. I made mention of Danlad Lamte Tedeku doubtful for this game. The return of Frederick Kasare, Enoch Morrison, Andrew Sintimenu, Rocky Jamana, Nina stories are Medemao and Ra over the camp of Asante Kotoko. So I don't want to go into that so much. The very repetition of news, you can go back and watch these particular videos. Now, normally Asante Kotoko has the bar. We are all calling for the best referee to come and handle the game. I'll do proper digest of these issues later. But and Ra, a section of Asante Kotoko fans has started a form of, they have issues with the appointment of referee Daniel Lai. And we engage some of them, in this case, Chumberema, and you know, yenya other Asante Kotoko fans say they don't want referee Feno Daniel Lai. As at Sabra recording video, there's no confirmation of referee of Abedi game in the bar. I believe that the best referee in the league should handle the game. No matter the mistakes or in the past. This is the biggest fixture in the league. Unko England. Emma match Kessie and Duromian Kofa referee where the bear 4 matches this season and now it season. If it's Chelsea against United, they're going for their best referees, no matter mistakes in other matches. Okay, if it's Liverpool against Chelsea, it's Liverpool against City, especially when the title is on the line. They go for the best referee. Arsenal City, best referee in the league. League play for be ever find so this match a referee. Top 5 referees na wo league no aka ho. Unko Spain my classic could draw me unko fa referee bia 7 nim fake nkiti bia fe na oba embegina mu, because they know the importance of that game and the kind of attention and pressure of that game. They go in for the best referees. Yes, how to focus at Asante Kotoko at the moment are not on top of the Premier League and they are not fighting for the Premier League. Therefore, one should Albert say the intensity of the game now drop. You might get it wrong because these two teams had the positions that and near the position they deserve. And these two teams are in the relegation conversation. So how to focus Kotoko about 41 points. Kotoko will remain at 40. And the points gap between Kotoko teams now pre-relegation from At the moment, Dream says were 38 points, meaning or just 2 points behind Kotoko. Heart of Lions were 35 points. This weekend, they are playing home against Samates. Osha Obeba 38 points, Wabe 2 points. If Kotoko is not beating her, 2 points, no Wabe Damachi. Karela of 37 points, Obo Insu Atrema home, Osha Obeko 40 points. So if Kotoko should lose this game, teams that Kotoko are still more pro-relegation, so Omo Didi Nkunima. It means that the gap between Kotoko and our teams, it may move from say maybe a 6, maybe a 5, maybe a 4, maybe a 3, It may be a 2-1-4, which is not good for Kotoko. On the part of Heart of Folk, 38 points. On no crowd here, or Karela 1 point. On the Dream says were the same points. Or Olympics, 5 points. Olympics were 2 matches. Or one outstanding game and this weekend. In the house, so and Dim Kunima, it means that Karela beats me as a house at the end of the day. Heart of Lions for 35 points, or Shah wait me about 2 hours, or 38. Then you have Olympics or 33, or Shah, or about 2 hours, about 36, 2 points behind Heart of Folk and a game in hand. Meaning Heart of Folk also need this point badly. Inti Yankofa referee, Nimfisusan Bejina game room, and Cassette, yeah, man a chance. No, we don't risk it, we don't gamble with these matches. But as Asante Kotoko say, fans me said Daniel Lai have not been fair to them in some of their matches. Let's say the game against Ashgood or Boase. Omobo Kotoko Kimfisa as the fourth official on the referee side to change his decision. And this is something that Chum and some fans of Asante Kotoko will push it. But this is my view. The best referee, no matter his mistakes in the past, if we believe he's the best and we believe in his competence, Nia Gidi said there is the human error in every activity in our life. He should be given a chance to handle the game. Last season, best referee was Thomas Nunu. Didn't say best referee in the Ghana Premier League 2 seasons in home and away of us and Asante Kotoko Undibi. Rastum Semebe. I hope I got the name right. Last 2 seasons, he was the best referee. So we need these 3. Game no. Mamun kofa referee bi e kofa ase bi aba. Human error wom. In so ya de no way from so bi pen he should still be given the chance to handle the game and deliver a top class performance. Ebe raise officiating in Ghana, ebe raise the bar high. That is my view, no matter what is happening. Asante Kotoko incommodate gate fee no air out. Stakeholders meeting because so and then na Sunday pre-match akoso. Jesse Moon sensem the yin house one away Jesse Kotoko on a red. The clash of JCB and Bem or this particular game koso. In terms of security, everything is intact. From what I'm picking, security intact because stakeholders meeting both teams from where I sit are impressed with security issues ahead of this particular game. And then what do you call it? Anope kakra ebu ano ebetimi dia bremo ena mede bremo team na nkasa mu de like I said my no amema injury issues I don't want to mbesi me wura mu bebre because it do say na edin sem bebre ba okomu bebre na nisimti I think say drew enumra na bia mabo both teams need training and players ebeba na omo ban mabo the tough fan. So enjoy Porcupine Stand on YouTube. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.